Don't hit. This is an alternative way to deal with naughty children. When my son was 2 years old, he would hit other kids and pull their hair. And as you can imagine, this would make them cry, and it would make me angry. So I would hit him back. But then I realized that when I hit him, he would just laugh. So I tried a different approach. The next time he misbehaved, instead of hitting him, I said, "Don't hit." And then to my surprise, he stopped. He looked at me and he said, "Why?" And I said, "Because it's wrong." And then he asked, "Are you sure?" And I said, "Yes, I'm sure." And then he apologized and he hugged the girl he had been pulling the hair of. And this approach worked so well that I continued to use it. And now my son is 3 years old and he's still not hitting other kids. If you want some more positive parenting tips, follow for more videos.